Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am traveling to Mangalore, that my native land, and we are going to shoot some content and also there are events to be attending to. So I am starting my journey and I am doing the bookings. Vrinda is helping me to do the bookings and there will be a lot of fun and lot of enjoyment. So stay tuned and do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the journey by booking the tickets.
5 minutes later.
Yes, I'm successful. Booked my first Airbnb by myself with Vrinda's help. It gives you so much freedom now. Really, like this is the journey of my life. Now what I have begun. First, I used to always depend on others. Are please help me, please help me. Now I can. I learned, na, like so many things I learned, right?
Yeah.
Like technology also. Like sometimes I feel proud of myself. Like from that housewife ka domain I have come out, learned a lot of things. Even last time when we were going to Kashmir, like I had to depend on Sabrina for doing even the hotel bookings. I had to rely on her. So there's so much of communication problem. Then she's booking, then we are canceling, then we are this. If when you personally know, then you can go about make a choice, or like that. I'm going to every 3 months travel. Then we'll travel like even India. If we travel, also we get a mind space, creative, and your mind functions better.
Yes.
Like we can collaborate with food bloggers and
Yes.
lots of people want to collab. But the
Distance.
thing is, they are out of Mumbai.
Yeah.
Many creators they text like we want to collab or something.
Several days later.
Good morning, guys. Today is 28th of July, and today I am all set to go to Bangalore.
How is uncle, auntie?
He's fine, majja hai. Now the impact will come when I'm not there in the house now. So finally I've reached the airport and I'm getting so excited because we are all traveling to Mangalore, and I hope I can make the best content and we'll have a good time, and Vrinda is there with me.
Yes.
And my mom is also there. So the two best persons of my life. Sarah will get irritated. As it is, she's so irritated.
Already people are recognizing auntie.
Yes, and I felt so good,
Yeah, people saw her pack with me, which is
Yeah.
not even posted.
Yes.
And people are so excited, auntie.
I'm happy people are recognizing
Yeah.
me, and I finished everything so fast. The Air India Express staff was extremely polite and humble, and they were very kind, and they did the wheelchair also for my mom, and all our procedures were done very spontaneously. We didn't have to wait in much in the queue. तो बहुत अच्छे से smoothly हो गया, बहुत अच्छे से 15-20 मिनट में we reached the gate. And if any time you need to book your flight, I would suggest you go for this Air India Express. It's really nice.
One eternity later.
And they landed.
Yeah, finally. My hometown. The greenery and the
Yeah. सिर्फ कोकोनट ट्रीज ही दिख रहे थे पूरे
हाँ.
ऊपर से.
A few inches later.
This is my cousin Anil. He's come to pick me up. And this is my mama. He's also come to pick me up. I'm so privileged. Mama, say hi. Look behind. Hi. I say loudly, no? अच्छा हाँ पार्किंग नका म्हणून देऊ ने अंग आणि आम्ही हे पहिले जेवून की आवा भूक लागलं बारी काल आडला ये अरे घरा यायचे अच्छा ओके आता आमका घरा सोडायची पहिले आमचे रूम आणि असा बनाना दिस ना
That was it.
हा मँगलो समोसा
45 minutes लागले तुमको बाहेर येऊ.
ओय हा
Very sweet.
Nice,
Banana inside.
banana buns. Now we are going to my cousin's house, my Masi's house first. We'll have lunch and all that. Then later in the evening we'll come to the airport.
Hi.
Ani's sister, she's तू ये नाहीगे तू ये नाहीगे अच्छा वय
So many days I can't take leave.
ओके मिळूया जाईल ओके बाय निशा बाय
A little longer than a few minutes later.
हॅलो मोहन हाय अरे देवाचे my cousin, first cousin, Anil's sister, her husband Mohan, and Ivana and Rahul.
हाय
वही माय मासी बस ऑन दी मम्मा तू गाडी चलवता बनावी सरता बस ऑन दी
A little later.
Hi guys, I just reached Bangalore and this is my cousin's house. We've come over here. Rahul, come say hi. Hi. This is my nephew and this is Ivana. Hello. They are my cousin's children. They live in Kuwait, Muscat, no? Kuwait. Yeah, they live in Kuwait. So they've also come down for holidays. And yeah, this is so beautiful. This place, everywhere greenery and so pleasant it is. Supari ka.
At 5 o'clock you can go to the balcony and then you'll see
And it's raining. How?
on the balcony.
There's a shed on the balcony. Okay.
And then you can see the peacocks. There'll be a lot of peacocks. 5,
Wow.
8.
Okay, I'll take you. This is cow shed. This is. They
Oh,
have a cow, so they have their own house milk only. And-
coconuts also so
हाँ,
many.
coconut trees and all they have. This is all supari ka this plantation. And this is that this Dev Gujjo. This is one. This is that fruit Dev Gujjo.
This, no?
We can go in this, but
After,
daytime,
rain.
It's rain. This is the rural setup, no? Yeah, all coconuts and
Here they cook for them
here
or
they
eat
cook every day and then they take it up. They don't cook much over there, like
चूल्हे पे.
चूल्हे पे. हाँ, चूल्हा नहीं है, गैस ही है. रन नहीं ना इसका.
शीतात घालणी रंगला शीत करतात 4 घंटे शिजवण्याची शीत तिकडे मग होते तू कसं
संत हे आलंय लाईक ऑल द दिस आता तई जाऊन आता दुसऱ्या डेक्याला काही कुंजबाईल काही दिस वी नेवर गेट टू सी नो इन बॉम्बे वी नेवर गेट टू सी. It's 8:30 and my Masi has made so much of food, all traditional food. There's vegetarian cabbage bhaji. This is saag, no? Dal. Yeah, dal saag. This is fish curry and that is mango.
It's a vegetable.
It's a creeper like it spreads around.
Healthy.
Very healthy.
For hair, for brain.
For brain.
For brain cells. Bye.
A few moments later.
We've set out now. It's 9:30 and we are going to the Karkala first. There is a church over there and even one of our friends are there. They have a big hotel over there. So we'll meet them. Guys, we've come to Attur Church in Mangalore at Karkala. This is very famous church. It is also known for its piety and for all the petitions which have been fulfilled. I had come when Sarah was small also over here. Let me show you this. They've demolished and they are going to redo it, I think. They are making it very beautiful with nice painted glass and all of that. So this they are trying to, recreate the
Pain.
facade like Spain only, yeah.
What is the name of this church?
This is St. Lawrence Church, or it is like Attur, no? The local name of Attur
Attur.
Church.
It's so green.
Yeah.
And then there's a church.
So beautifully done up, like even in a remote village like this. And there's lot of devotees coming, especially in the month of Jan, they have that annual St. Lawrence feast,
Yeah.
So devotees come. No cities will, give you this peace.
A few moments later.
How was the church?
Yeah, it was nice.
Now where you're
Sanman Regency in Mangalore near Attur Church, and it is a huge property, you know, the food, and we've ordered some food now. We'll taste and give you an idea how. If you come to Mangalore, you must visit Sanman Regency. The food is top notch. You will get everything: Indian, continental, seafood. It's so well known for its Chinese flavors.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Sanman Regency, no, they have wedding halls also, and they are AC halls, and as well as they have without AC also. So if you all have any bookings and all in Mangalore, and you all want any destination wedding, this is a very appropriate place. You get food also, you get accommodation also, and you get the marriage hall. So this is a perfect venue for destination wedding. It can accommodate about 1200 people, and they have a lot of rooms also. If you have to have this, it will cost you like
Yeah.
45 to 50,000 only. The this.
Rent. More than that.
Yeah, see the ceiling, centralized AC, superb, na? Too good, huh? Very big. For destination weddings, no, this is a perfect venue. It's just that it is in Mangalore, but I think this should be developed. It is centralized AC, plus they have nice Dunlop chairs.
The view is also
Yeah, view is beautiful. There's a stage. You don't need to spend a lot on the stage and all that. Very perfect. Bye.
How was it, Auntie?
Yeah, it was a very nice experience. And you know, the reunion of my friend, my neighbor, and she was always my confidant. I used to speak to her a lot. Husbands की बुराई करना. हम लोग दोनों बैठ के जितनी बुराई करने के तक करते हैं. We used to have a lot of fun. No, my children and her children were same age only, na, and we used to get along very well, like Sabrina, Sarah, Santosh and Monica. That is how our friendship was very close. She was an engineer. Even Santosh is an engineer. Both are engineers. Yeah, they studied also from very good college. Yeah, both are married.
Where you're going, Auntie, now?
Now I'm going to one more cousin's place. That is on the way only from here before going to Mama's house. So this is our journey of today. Vrinda is getting to know so many of my relatives.
Everyone.
She's saying, "Bhai, ye kaun hai? Ye kitne
No, I am enjoying that. It's just that I can't understand this alag language.
Doing shopping in Mangalore.
What you are taking, Auntie?
Holige this is. Holige matlab Puran Holi and cake this.
Oh, you are taking to gift the family.
Yeah, now we are going to see. Na, so we just
A few moments later. A little longer than a few minutes later.
You come to your
next cousin, second cousin. This is Adar Masi's daughter. Father Alvin had come, no? His sister. Yeah.
Thak gaye nani.
You want clothes? I'll take out clothes. I have clothes. Bus. Just leave it here. The space is enough. Yeah. 1 minute. Open the dicky and I'll take out one top for her. You want one top? Top मेरे लाना है.
Where you're going?
To my mama's house, my grandparents' house.
You used to stay when you were child.
No. I never stayed here, but this is my mummy's. My parents used to stay over here. My mother. This is her mother's house.
Oh, you're not Nani's house.
Yeah, Nani's house. Now it is Mama's, no? We'll walk from there.
Kya?
Tell Reet I did trekking. Huh?
It's like trek only.
Yeah.
The roads are so this.
Usha, we are doing trekking. Half a kilometer.
Yeah, she have to take bath also.
This was all see kaju ka part it is.
This all half only.
Yeah, yours?
Yeah.
Body gani anant rao laigi marungu. Body gani anant rao laigi marungu.
Everyone has dogs here.
Yeah, dogs you need only, no? Because yen dilaista, vasrun dilaista.
Ah, आता दे ना hospital.
Wait. Baba, sagli body to kani only.
So many pets. How are you feeling, auntie?
Very nostalgic. Yes, समझ आए ना?
Windows only.
No windows. Yeah, open. All this was empty. Like we used to go down in that.
They are.
We used to go down in those places. No?
बैठना पड़े तो आता पिए ना पिए
I came to my mama's house and he's made this chicken curry and there's so much of food. There's idli, there's tendli bhaji, then there is this sheva. काय म्हणतात का शेवियो ने? शेवियो. Chicken curry, yeah. South Indian chicken curry. And this is shevio.
This is not rice.
No, save it is.
Oh.
Corn oil,
हाँ जाए
How is it, auntie?
very nice. Very creamy. No, touch me, not that mimosa. You remember?
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Don't touch
We
me.
used to get so fascinated when we got to know about this plant.
First, this was pura khali. Nothing was there. They used to grow rice fields. Then they stopped rice fields and they started now. Mama has planted all this
Trees.
organic trees and jackfruit and all of that.
This is hibiscus, no? Pink color.
Yeah, pink color hibiscus. With a telescope, we were trying to capture the images. See this bird one there, see? With this.
इस पे नहीं आएगा कैमरा पे. It's a parrot also. Parrot is there. Here.
Where?
They're green color.
Small parrot, na? That
Yeah.
is baby parrot.
Two are there.
See here also there is a bird. Ka machhar kat rahe?
White color का था मच्छर. Mango trees here.
These are all mango trees. What you can see na inside.
Yeah.
All exotic mangoes like from Sri Lanka and like hybrid mangoes he's planted. All this what you can see na, they are all mango trees, fruit trees and all.
This is avocado.
Yeah.
It's still growing, but
We also have in Mad Island avocado tree.
there are no this ना on this. ऊपर है.
Avocado नहीं है, वो दूसरा fruit है. ये आंबाडे ने ते वैर. आंबाडे झाल्या तो.
क्या आंटी?
So here we used to wash clothes.
The next day.
Bye.
Bye Rahul, see you. Good morning guys, today is the 30th of July and today I am all set to go and explore Mangalore. I will be seeing local places and tasting the local food and also seeing the tourist attractions. So everything I will be vlogging and I will be putting it up. So please stay tuned and follow me and subscribe to my channel. Love you.